once again had a good amount of sunshine across the region as we made our way through the day today. Our tower cam time lapse once again showed barely a cloud in the sky, and we did have a dry and warm southerly wind. That got temperatures up there. Average high this time of year has fallen to 58, and we went to a high of 79 degrees in North Platte for the day today. Also into the upper 70s at Ogallala, Lexington, near 80 at Broken Bow and Valentine, 76 your high at Thedford, and we are staying very mild into the evening. We are basically clear from North Platte and points off to the east, but we have a strong enough southerly wind to really keep temperatures up. We're into the lower 60s right now at Broken Bow. North Platte currently at 66. That's well above our average high for this time of year here into the evening hours. We're starting to cloud up, but we've since cooled down a little out toward Hyannis and Ogallala at 54 and Imperial right now at 50 degrees. There's your wind, still around 10 to 20 miles per hour from a southerly direction. And here's a look at the Doppler radar. Now, we got some weather alerts, red flag warnings into portions of South Dakota, and we do have fire weather watches. Nothing for our viewing area, but out into western Nebraska and along the Kansas border. I think the fire danger is going to be pretty high across the region anyway. So just be aware of that for one more day tomorrow, because we're going to be dry and warm and a little breezy out there. Here's a look at the radar. We do have mainly clear skies across the say eastern 2/3 of the viewing area, with more clouds from our western counties and then points off to the west of that. So we do have high pressure just off to our south and to our east, a very warm flow from the south. That's going to be the story one more day. We do have some clouds ahead of this next system, which will be here Thursday into Friday morning to cool us off and give us some chances of moisture. So going through the rest of the overnight, temperatures falling back through the 50s into the 40s, partly to mostly cloudy skies that will last until late morning, then back to sunshine by the afternoon. And temperatures back into the mid to upper 70s across the region, still with a light breeze from the southerly direction keeping us warm. We start off Thursday around 40 degrees. We'll cloud up during the day, should be mainly dry during the daylight hours with some showers possible later on, possibly ending in some snow showers in our western counties. So the really warm sector is going to be gone by this time tomorrow. A low is going to track to our north. There's a strong cold front making its way through, more of a northerly wind and a cooler high pressure system that will spark off some moisture. It's mainly going to be a mountain snow event once again, with most areas off to the west of Laramie picking up a good amount of snow, but you can see the blue on this map. That's where some wet snowflakes could mix in with the rain during the overnight Thursday into Friday. And most areas that see snow are going to be above 3,000 feet. Here's a closer look at the slope of our viewing area. So 3,000 feet puts us, say, around the Keith County border. So from Ogallala, Oshkosh, maybe into the Sandhills, you could just pick up some wet snowflakes as you make our way, and temperatures fall back below freezing Thursday night and into early Friday morning. Here's a look at the forecast now for tonight. Partly cloudy skies. We're going to be mild. Temperatures staying to the 50s for a little while. Low temperatures just after daybreak around 40 degrees. For the day tomorrow, mostly sunny and even warmer. Some upper 70s to maybe even some areas closer to 80 degrees. By Thursday, partly cloudy skies, scattered showers working their way in. Northerly wind really cooling us down. We're going to be into the mid 50s to near 60 in most places, and we're going to continue to cool down. There's that moisture chance ending possibly as some snow showers Friday morning, but Friday should be mainly dry. Partly cloudy, a high of 46 though, then right back up to 63 Saturday. Lots of sunshine, partly cloudy Sunday at 59, and only low to mid 50s, a little cooler from Monday and Tuesday. And we got a few clouds with partly cloudy skies to start next week. Kent?
And tomorrow kind of looks like a carbon copy of today.
Yep, it should be the same thing, near 80 with sunshine. That does change for Thursday.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. Overdraft fees are an unwelcome addition to your budget, and according to a new bank rate study, most banks are still hitting customers with the charge. In this Watching Your Wallet, consumer investigator Rachel DePompa has some simple ways you can avoid that extra expense.
Despite all the attention given to a handful of banks that are creating more consumer-friendly overdraft policies, 96% of accounts are still charged an overdraft fee in this new survey. 87% of accounts surveyed by Bankrate will still charge a fee if you don't have sufficient funds in the account. Greg McBride, the